So, hello everyone, this is the NIN assignment number 3. We are group number 246. This is Himanshi.
This is Lena.
This is Simranjit Kaur.
This is Jyoti.
Today's the problem statement of our group is increasing SO2 level in air in India.
So, there are some solutions that we have explored. Those are flue gas desulfurization. The first one is wet system. The system is relatively simple. Crushed limestone or lime is mixed with water or caustic soda diluted in water to form a slurry or liquid, which is then sprayed into the sulfur-containing flue gases. The solvent reacts with SO2 to form an aqueous slurry of manageable sulfur species that could have the potential to be monetized or at least safely deposed, disposed. Hence, this method is quite useful to reduce the level of SO2 in air.
The second one is dry, semi-dry system. Within the spray dry system, a slurry of alkali solvent, usually slaked lime, is injected into the flue gases in a fine spray. The heat from the flue gases causes the water to evaporate, cooling the gases as it does so. The present SO2 reacts with the drying solvent to form a solid reaction product with no wastewater.
The third one is SO2 reduction due to processing of acid gas streams. Additional stages of reaction, in addition to fine tuning the sulfur recovery unit, can increase the conversion of H2S into elemental sulfur and subsequently reduce SO2 emissions. Other possibilities to be considered are sulfur degassing at the sulfur pit or oxygen enrichment. These may increase processing capacity and gain some additional SO2 removal for a relatively low ratio of extra investment.
So here we have also provided the link to get a better glance at the solutions that we just discussed. Moving forward, we have some solutions that we have suggested. Those are the state implementation plans in India.
First one is air quality monitoring. Air quality is measured with the air quality index. Air quality index is the way of showing the changes in the amount of pollution in the air. Therefore, air quality monitoring should be regularly measured to ensure the accuracy of the air quality index.
The second one is switch to renewable energy resources from non-renewable sources. Because non-renewable sources like fossil fuels, coal, natural gas, first of all, they cannot be renewed once exhausted and they cause a lot of pollution. On the other hand, renewable energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, they cause comparatively less pollution and hence they can be very useful in reducing the pollution in air.
The third one is minimize use of carbon. Use public transportation instead of private transportation. Burning of fossil fuel produces a lot of carbon content in environment. So we can switch fossil fuels to sustainable energy such as wind, solar, geothermal and appropriately designed hydroelectric and biomass energy projects.
The fourth one is regular inspections and applicable fine for exploiting non-renewable energy resources like coal that leads to pollution.
So these were some solutions that we have suggested to cope up with the problem of increasing SO2 level in air in India. Thank you so much.